Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can make money online in the UK. We're going to start off with the methods that I've made the least amount of money from myself personally, and then move into the ones that I've made the most money from. And don't worry, I'm not just going to tell you these methods and then sort of leave you to do your own research on them. In this video, I'm also going to share with you some useful links and helpful information so you can really get going with them and start making money straight away. I'm not just going to leave you wondering what to do next. So method 1 then out of the 5 is going to be something called current account switching. And if you have no idea what that is, basically it's where you take your bank account, your current account, and you just switch to another bank, and the bank then pays you a welcome offer for joining that bank. Now it's super simple to do because there's a scheme that most banks are joined into, which means that you just fill out a few forms and then it takes 7 working days for you to get switched over. A few examples of what kind of money you can expect to get as a welcome offer include the likes of Santander that will give £130 cash for you switching to them. HSBC and First Direct also give a welcome offer, which if you're going to go with either one of those, because you can only do one, First Direct are the better one, so they give £125. And then another example is Nationwide actually give £100 to any new customers that set up with them. Down below in the description, I'll leave all the links to the guides that I've found on how you can switch current accounts and make money doing this. Now this is number 1 on the list here because I have not yet done this myself, so I've not made any money doing it, but I am going to be doing an upcoming video sharing my exact results with how much money I've made. So of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel at the moment, be sure to do so if you're interested in that video. Getting into method number 2, that's going to be very similar actually to method 1, but in a different way. So we're still going to be taking advantage of welcome offers, but this time we're doing it through investment apps. So I have done some content here on the channel about this already, but this method 2 is basically all about just signing up to investing platforms which are offering either a free share or they're going to give you one of them that I've found actually pays you in cash. So yeah, it's another thing where it's a welcome offer. You just simply join up to their app and then you get free money. Now you might be thinking that is too good to be true, like free money being given out. But welcome offers through, to join different companies are just such a good way to make money online because you can join up, take the free money, and then you don't have to carry on using the service. You can just take that money and go. For me personally, with this method, I've made just over £100. And some of you might say, oh, that's not much money. But when you think about it, that it's free money, I take that happily any day of the week. I'll leave a link in the description to the guide I've done actually on how you can get these free shares from 4 different apps that I've found. Method number 3 then involves a website called 20 Cogs, and basically 20 Cogs is just an affiliate site where they give you 20 tasks to complete, and these tasks might be like signing up to free trials of different websites or actually buying a product, and then you get a discount, a very heavy discount for buying the product, but basically just different tasks to do. And when you've completed all 20 of them, they just pay you out either to your PayPal or bank account. Now, the reason why this makes sense for 20 Cogs to pay you to do these tasks is because when you join these various websites through their links, they're actually earning money by you doing so, hence an affiliate site. Now, that's really good for them because they earn money, and it's also great for you because then you can get a portion of that money when you sign up through their links. For me personally, it took me just over 3 hours to complete 20 Cogs, and I made around just over £120. So for me, it worked out about £40 an hour, and really good fun actually. And I got a lot of free stuff while I was doing all the tasks. So definitely recommend it. I'll leave the link down below in the description for the video I did speaking all about 20 Cogs and the various things that I would do to complete it. Method number 4 is called the cashback casino strategy. Before you panic and you run away and you think, oh, casino, you're just going to lose your money. No, with this method, it's completely different. So I'll leave a link down in the description for a YouTube video I did explaining how the strategy works. And I know many of the subscribers to the channel will have done this already. But just for anyone new to the channel, this works by you signing up to casino sites through the cashback sites link. and then you get paid from the cashback site just for signing up to the casino site and maybe playing like £20 or something like that. And the way you go about doing it is you lose a very small amount of money. So you might lose, say, £1 or £2 on every casino website that you sign up to. But then the cashback site is going to pay you like £20 or £30, sometimes even more. And you'll end up with a lot more profit than the small amounts that you spend at the casino. That method 4 is probably only suited to people that have no interest in gambling and aren't interested in casino games whatsoever. From method 4, for me personally, I made around £200, and again, it's just another great way to make genuine money online. And then saving the best till last is number 5, which I know the regulars to the channel will already know what I'm going to say, but it's going to be doing match betting, which again, it's carried on from method 4, where it's nothing to do with gambling and it's completely risk-free, so please don't run a mile when you've just heard the word betting. But basically, I have a completely free course that you can check out, and it's in the Facebook group. So I have a Profit Boss match betting Facebook group. If you join that Facebook group down below, you can get access to that free course there. Now, all you're doing with match betting is simply taking bookmakers' welcome offers, just like you've done with the investment app Free Shares, and just like you've done when you switch to different bank accounts and taken their welcome offer money. All you're doing is taking bookmakers' welcome offer money, and you're betting on all of the outcomes for, if it's a horse race or a football match, so that no matter what, you never lose, and you just take the free bets that are being given out. I personally have made around £27,000 in 27 months doing match betting, so around about £1,000 a month of profit that I've taken, and remember, it's tax-free profit there as well. If you have any questions for any of these methods, please do join me on a live stream Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. here on the channel, and as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.